how to get same-day delivery on Amazon. So here's what you want to do. Same-day delivery will be available for select zip codes or areas. So what you want to do is use the search bar here and just search for same-day delivery items, and you can search for the item which you need afterwards, add it in the search bar. Now let's say that we want to order this one, Clean Skin Club Towels. All right, so you will click on the item itself, and here you will see whether it will be available to get the same day delivery. So it's going to tell us get free delivery overnight if you are a Prime member, and here's where you or when you will receive it if you're a normal member. So you can get Amazon Prime if you don't already have it, and here it's going to tell you overnight 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. on eligible orders. If you order within 7 hours and 40 minutes, you will get it same day or overnight. So I hope this helps, hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.